Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting CSV file to text file. You can see I have on my computer I have a CSV file. I can double click on it just to open and show you what is inside. And inside we have data for states data with the column state name, state code, region, subregion. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of CSV file, and I can also export it into different format if I want to. I will leave a link on this app too. However, in this I will install application for converting CSV to text files and from my website, and convert this file to text file and show you what will be the results file. So this is my website. I will leave a link on the site into the description. To find file, I will type CSV to text and click on this comma separated 20. Click on CSV to text and click on download to start the downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. I will be recording more videos on CSV formats and then converting from different formats to text files and from CSV files. So if you're interested, consider subscribing to my channel. You can see archive has been downloaded. I will click downloaded archive, click on MSI, double click on MSI inside archive, click on more info on this screen. And I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run away to start installation, click on next install, click on yes and click on finish on file screen. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 I have to select all CSV files I want to convert. This is step 1. I'll click to select input file, navigate to my states. You can type like states, right? States CSV, select this one. Click on open. I can add more files if I want to into this list. For demonstration purposes, I will just convert this one file. I'll click next step. If first row of C input file has column names, which usually is the case, I will leave this checked, click on next, and click on run on final screen. And it's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay. Documents, name and file is fine. Just click save. And file has been saved. Let's go and see file. It's in my documents or quick access. Yeah. I can just double click on it to open, and you can see it will remove all CSV like comma, semicolon, everything, and just leave plain text from CSV files. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.